Hello and welcome to Portrait Quick Retouching course. In this course, you will learn how to retouch and fix portrait images quickly, easily, and nicely in Adobe Photoshop. We are not going so deep or using so complicated techniques, yet thanks to the new features of Photoshop, we will be able to do our adjustments most effectively in less time. You will learn how to adjust light and colors, extract from the background, change the pose, colorize, enhance details, harmonize, and many more in less time in this series. This course is for beginners or intermediate level people who need to learn quick retouching workflow, and note that this course will be updated based on your questions, difficulties, or suggestions. So join me in this course and enjoy your skill improvements.